In today's video, exactly I will show you a method through which you can earn up to $100 per hour. Here you can see the girl, she earned $110 per hour, $100 per hour, $100 per hour. All these resellers are earn up to $100 per hour. In this method, you can just do copy and paste and you will earn the same amount. There is no work, there is no hard work. You can earn up to $200 or $300 per hour. Just you have to do copy and pasting. And what's the work is, I will show in detail in this video. But first, make sure to like this video right now and subscribe the channel right now. If you have not subscribed, make sure to subscribe and you will be earn up to $100 per hour, as the same as the girl earn $100 per hour. So make sure to subscribe the channel right now. And what you will do just as like you watching the video on YouTube, the same method you will watching the video or somebody will give you same like video, and you will add just subtitles. Like I'm just speaking and my speaking you will work into text, and the text will be displayed on the video as like I'm talking here right now. So this is your job, and this job will be done by a software. You have to just go and create the gig on Fiverr, which I have already given a link in description. And when you create a gig, you will be earn up to $100. And if I show you, this man already have some orders. I'm clicking on a new window and you will see that this girl already have orders and how much she can earn per hour. You can see that this have completed 9 orders, and it means that in 9 hours this guy make $900. Also I'm talking about the girl, and the girl have one active order, which means that the current hour she earn $100 in the hour I'm making video. And also she completed 590 orders, 590 multiplied by 100, and she earn up to $590K just from one gig. And you can earn up the same amount, and you will have to do it. You just to do converting audio wise into text wise, just like the girl she says right now. You can see her there, and she's saying, and you see the text, you will just put the text like this, and this work will be done by a software. You just have to do nothing, just what I'm showing you will do the same. First of all, you will go on Google and you will search for a Flixer, a software which I will give you a link. Also this is a software which link is available in the description. Through my link you can sign up and you can get a 20% discount. When you come to this website, you will just click on the get starter, and when you click on the get starter, you will create your account here. And when you create your account, you will be allowed to this software. And when you come to this software, you will just create your videos, and your videos will be automatically catch the voice, and the voice will be changed into text, and the text will be appear in your video. It's so simple, and almost in every language you can do it. So again, I repeat, what you will do, you will join this website which I give you link in the description, and also you will go on Fiverr and you will create your gig on Fiverr. How you can create your gigs on Fiverr, I will also explain in these videos and in the next upcoming videos on my channel. If you really interested to that, you can comment below, and I will be creating that videos also for you. And the second thing is, if you cannot create a Fiverr gig, I will also provide these services. Just I will give you in below description my WhatsApp number. Come to my WhatsApp, chat to me, and I will show you exactly how you can create. And if you cannot create, again I will create a gigs for you. When you create a gigs, after that you will come to this software, you will get a 20% discount, or even this software is free for first 5 videos. You can just create 5 videos for free, and when you create, the automatically subtitle will be added to your videos. And after that you will provide your videos, and your videos will be automatically on subtitles like this girl here. You can see the top title, and after that you will deliver your order to your customer, and you will get $100 $200 per hour. So this is very simple work. I think you have a full detail about how you can work and how you can earn $100 per hour from Fiverr. I will give you a explanation, full details about this in my channel. If you are interested, comment below, and I will also explain one by one video of that. Just a simple, again I repeating, you can go to Fiverr and you can provide your services that I can do subtitle of your videos. For subtitle you can charge up to $100 $200 per hour. And what will you do? You just come to this software and upload the video. Your video will be automatically have subtitles to this automatic software. After your video have subtitle, you can come to Fiverr and deliver your order to your client, and you will be earn up to $100 $200 in less than an hour. So this is simple work. If you have not subscribed my channel, go subscribe my channel right now, and I will also make another videos example of this. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.